Wait, before you scroll, let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to a restaurant, opened the menu, and suddenly forgot all your English?
Or the waiter comes, smiles, and your mind goes completely blank.
If that has ever happened to you, stay with us. Today's podcast will change that.
Welcome everyone to our podcast. This is the channel where you learn real English for real life, not textbook English.
Exactly. Today's episode is all about English at the restaurant, what to say, how to say it, and how to sound confident.
My name is Alex.
And I'm Emma. We're happy you're here.
This is not a lesson where you just listen. Imagine the situation. Imagine you are there.
All right, let's begin. So, Emma, imagine we just walked into a restaurant.
Okay, a nice, quiet restaurant.
A waiter comes to us. What's the first thing they usually say?
They usually say, "Good evening, welcome. Do you have a reservation?"
Good. And if we don't have one?
We can say, "No, we don't. Is there a table available?"
Simple, polite, and confident.
Yes, confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Absolutely. Now let's say the waiter shows us to a table.
We sit down, look at the menu, and now the real challenge begins.
The menu is long, many words. Some are new. This is where many people panic.
But you don't need to. You can always ask questions.
For example, "Excuse me, what do you recommend?"
That sentence is gold.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time. Another good one is, "What's the most popular dish here?"
Or, what do people usually order?
Let's talk about drinks.
The waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?"
You can say, "I'd like a glass of water, please."
Or, "Can I have some tea?"
Notice how polite English sounds.
Yes, words like please and can I matter.
They make you sound friendly and respectful.
Now let's imagine the food part.
You're looking at the menu. You see something interesting, but you're not sure.
You can say, "What is this dish made of?"
Or, "Does this contain meat?"
Very useful for everyone.
And if you have allergies.
You can say, "I'm allergic to nuts."
Clear and important. Okay, Emma, let's role play.
All right, I'll be the customer.
And I'll be the waiter. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Could we have a few more minutes, please?
Of course. Take your time.
See, very natural.
Now you're ready to order.
Yes, the waiter comes back.
What do you say?
"I'll have the chicken pasta, please."
Perfect.
Or, "I'd like the grilled fish."
Both sound great. What if you want to change something?
You can say, "Could I have it without onions?"
Or, "Can you make it less spicy?"
Restaurants hear this every day.
Now let's talk about waiting.
Sometimes food takes time.
And that's okay.
If you're in a hurry, you can say, "How long will it take?"
Or, "We're a bit short on time."
The food arrives.
It looks amazing.
The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal."
And you say, "Thank you." Let's say something is wrong.
This is hard for many learners.
But you can be polite and honest.
For example, "Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered."
Or, "My food is a bit cold."
You don't need to be rude.
Now let's imagine everything is perfect.
You're done eating.
What's next?
Dessert.
Of course.
You can ask, "Do you have any desserts?"
Or, "Could we see the dessert menu?" And finally, the bill.
Yes, the famous moment.
You can say, "Could we have the bill, please?"
Or, "Can we get the check?"
Both are correct.
What about paying?
You can ask, "Do you accept cards?"
Or, "Can I pay in cash?"
Before leaving, it's nice to say something kind.
Like, "Everything was delicious."
Or, "Thank you, the food was great."
Let's slow down for a moment.
Yes, this is important.
You don't need perfect English to enjoy a restaurant.
You need simple sentences and confidence.
And practice.
Imagine doing this again and again. Each time it gets easier.
English is not about memorizing.
It's about using it.
Before we finish, let's do a quick recap.
Entering the restaurant.
Ordering drinks.
Asking about food.
Ordering politely.
Paying and leaving.
If you listened to this podcast carefully,
You are already better than before.
don't stop here.
Listen again. Practice out loud.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
We hope this episode helped you.
If you enjoyed it, stay with us.
More real English is coming.
See you in the next episode.
And remember, English gets easier when you use it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.